Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be painting the door jambs on the 350Z. We're going to be showing you guys the new color. Before we do that, we want to do a contest. So me and Christine are going to first who can completely strip their side of the car so we can paint the door jambs. So that includes pretty much everything. The door panels need to come off. The weather stripping on the doors need to come off. This little side track will come out. The weather stripping for the door, the door steps, the side skirts need to come off. The latches, as well as the A-pillar, everything needs to come off so that it is ready to be painted. So we're gonna verse who can finish first. Now, I told her that it's a little bit unfair or disadvantage for her because I've done this before and she hasn't. But she says she feels confident that she could beat me because she's gonna be using a power tool and I'm not. I'm gonna be using just hand tools.
I'm gonna win.
No. So we're gonna see. All right. So here's the thing: the loser is gonna have to eat one raw egg, like straight. Just crack it open into your mouth or into a cup and just drink it. Just down it. So we're gonna see who wins. Go ahead, pause the video, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and then go in the comment section and tell me who you think is gonna win, alright? Who you placing your bets on? Who you gonna place your bets on? Me or Christine? Alright guys, so let's get on with it. On your mark, get set, go! I don't even know what to start with.
Oh damn, we're doing this one. I was done. Look at this. I think I was done.
No.
Because when I asked you what you had left to do, no.
Okay, guys. So we have a dilemma. So we think Christine thinks that she won, and I think that I won because she says that when she asked me, she was already finished. But when she asked me, I was already finished too. I think it's a tie, but Christine says she wins. So now I say I win. So I don't know.
We're gonna have to watch the video.
We're gonna have to watch this replay and see who wins.
Okay,
I was done already. I was done.
Wait, let me see.
See, I win. I win. No.
Watch my video for when you said that. Okay, no. You gotta watch.
I win. Okay, guys. Looks like Christine needs to eat the egg. Okay?
Damn.
Hold on. I'll be right back. Here, babe. She's gonna eat the world's most liked picture right now. Christine lost and she has to eat the egg, yo. Alright, guys. So, before she eats the egg, again, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. We're gonna get it this year, 2019. Let's go! Just crack the egg over your mouth. You have to swallow the whole thing.
Swallow the whole thing?
Yeah.
Damn.
Let's go, you lost. You need to swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. She ate it. Good job. She got egg on me. Oh, good job, guys. Woo! How was it?
It was so hard to swallow.
Okay guys, so now that Christine lost the bet, we're gonna go ahead and get this car ready to be painted. You better go drink some water or something. That's disgusting. Hope you don't get sick.
Don't eat it.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and prep the car for paint. We're gonna go be sanding down the door jambs and then wiping it down and then going ahead and spraying it. If you guys watched my previous video, you guys know that when I do my door jambs and stuff, I don't hook up the gun because my gun is too big and I don't have like a detail gun. So what I use is this little this little sprayer right here. You get them at Home Depot, which is where I get mine. I think they're about $5 or so. Oh, actually no, I think they're like $7. $6 or $7. Pretty much all it is like a mini sprayer. You can mix your own paint and then throw it in this bottom bottle right here, and then you can go ahead and spray it like an aerosol can. So that's what I'll be using to spray the base coat, the pearl, and the clear coat. So that way you don't have to run your compressor late at night like I am right now. It's already past 12 and I don't want to wake up the neighbors. All right, so let's get on with it.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel great. Couldn't be better right now.
Damn, I almost had you too. I was so excited because I was so close to the end.
That was funny.
I really thought you lost.
I kind of thought I was gonna lose too because you had the power tools, and then I forgot to take off my mirror. That's why was the last thing. I was like, oh shoot, and then I almost forgot to take off the side skirt, and then I went to your side and I was like, oh shoot, the side skirt's already off, but I'm on.
I just had this thing to do.
Yeah, we never did take this off to paint.
That's why it's still silver.
But
we found out when we went to pick and pull that this is a separate piece, or this is like a connected piece of the A-pillar, because Blaine just cracked it off.
Well, because I locked my keys in the car like when I first got it.
2019, we out here, son.
Eating raw eggs. Eating raw eggs, son.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the color right now. I hope you guys are excited because this is going to be a fire color. Voila! You see that? It's as bright as the sun. Sun. Alright guys, so this color is called lemon yellow.
Yeah, only yellow.
Yellow.
That's the motto, we say yellow.
So I chose yellow because I feel like there's not too many Z's, at least done up with this color.
A little omelet yellow.
So I will be painting the Z yellow. I know there's a stock color that's yellow, but I will be making it my own. I'll be throwing this nebula yellow into the clear coat to give it that little extra special touch. But anyway guys, this is the color right here. Let me know what you guys think.
That'll fuck them up. Damn!
I think this car is gonna look sick with this color. Anyway, we're gonna be spraying the door jambs right now. So pretty much when I spray, I usually do 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 part reducer, 1 part base coat. Like I said, I'll be using this little sprayer right here. Fill this thing up pretty much. It has to be an easier way. I always get like really messy whenever I start messing with the paint. There's people that can work in a car in their like nice clothes. The clothes will still be their nice clothes. So then you close it up. I like to just mix everything inside this one jar. All right, now we can go spray the car. Yo, that's a bright yellow.
That's super bright. Oh, you is for real Filipino, yeah?
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Alright guys, so here's the color right here. As you guys can see, it's yellow. There's some pearl in there, but you can't really tell too much because it's in the garage. But as soon as we bring it outside, you guys can tell. We do have to redo this side right here. We need to go ahead and sand it down and get some pearl on there. Oh shoot, you can't even tell. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and prep the rest of the car to be painted. But as you guys can see, the jambs, they're all nicely done. I'm so excited, you guys. This color it's really bright, but I like it. I think it's gonna be something that'll give the car some pop more than it already does. I can't wait to see what the bumpers are gonna look like once it's fully sprayed in one color. I hope you guys are excited as we are. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. This thing is gonna be so sick, guys. Stay tuned, hit that notification button because you guys are not gonna wanna miss these next few videos, all right? Other than that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It really appreciate it. Drop a comment below, tell me what you guys think, and if you guys are excited. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace out and stay good.